Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to go ahead and work on the addition formulas on Microsoft Excel. So we covered this a few videos ago, but we're going to go into this in a little bit more depth. So let's go ahead and work within the B column. So the goal is we want to go ahead and actually add up the cells B4, so B4, B5, B6, and B7. So let's go ahead and double click where we want to go ahead and place the total for those. So we're going to place it right below dog food / toys. And what we're going to do now is we need to go ahead and decide, how do we want to do this? Do we want to go ahead and put in the numbers? Do we just want to add up 1200 plus 700 plus 100 plus 75? And as a reminder, anytime you're working with formulas or you're creating your own formula, it starts with the equal sign. So that gives the Excel the indicator that you're going to go ahead and create a formula. So we can go ahead and press enter and it adds it up for us. But what is the issue with that? The issue is that if any one of these cells change, like if I change this to 750, you can see this value down here does not change because we essentially I want to say hard coded, but we placed in the numbers exactly as they were. So it's not referencing any cells or anything. So what we need to do instead is we actually want to reference the different cells. So there is a few different ways that we can do this. We could obviously just, let me go ahead and delete this. And go ahead and head over to the Formulas tab. And we could just always highlight the selection here where we want to go ahead and add them up. And we could just come over here and press AutoSum. But that doesn't help us because what we're trying to do is we're trying to go ahead and understand how we can create these formulas ourselves. So you can see it actually tells you how you can create this formula. So if you want to actually add all these up, there's a few different ways you can do this. This is another way. This is the way that AutoSum works. So you just put in the equal sign, you put in sum, and then within parentheses, you put in the range. So the range begins at B4, and then the colon, and then it ends at B7, and then close parentheses. So that's one way to also add that range. Another way that we could do this, though, is we can go ahead and reference the individual cells. So now that we have our equal sign, we can go ahead and start building out our formula. So we could either type it in manually, we could put in B4, B5, B6, B7, or we could just go ahead and we can hold Control on our keyboard, and then select B4, and then I'll just hold Shift, and then press the plus symbol to go ahead and indicate we want to add something after that. And we'll just repeat the same thing over and over. So now we're going to do the same thing. Hold Control, and a plus symbol, and then hold Control. And now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and decide, do we have everything there? We have B4, B5, B6, B7. We do, and if we look here, it references the different cells. And once we are ready to go ahead and complete our, or see what the total is, we can go ahead and enter. And now you can see that I went ahead and added everything up for us. So you can actually build there's so many different ways that you guys can do this, I'm sure, as you saw. But these are, if you want to be able to manually build out formulas, this is great practice for you. So I highly suggest you all do something similar over here for column C. If you all have whether you're copying what I'm doing here, which is a budget report, or maybe you have something else that's working with numbers, you can go ahead and start completing just try to, by hand, just try to go off memory to see how you can go ahead and you can reference the different cells that you want to add up or subtract or multiply. And in the next video, we should be covering the subtraction formulas. We'll also cover the multiplication. We'll cover the division. We'll cover exponents. We'll cover all that. But hopefully this gives you all a good start.